Hello there and welcome to the new Google Data Studio tutorial. And in this tutorial I will show you how you can connect to your not Google but YouTube account. So for example, this is the YouTube account which I have, and here is my channel ID which will help me connect as a YouTube channel to get all of my video information and related statistic or the metrics which YouTube or Google is maintaining for me. All right, so how we can do that is by coming over here, clicking on add the data. Down there you have the YouTube analytics. In YouTube analytics you have a couple of options like all, everything, like for example you have some Google pages, you have my channel, you have content owners and things like those. So what it does is basically give you the information about your own channels, but if you can't find it, then you can come into the advanced and you can select the channel and paste the channel ID over here, and I will click on add. Once I click on add, it will start getting the information from my channel, but important thing is it should be yours because this is the same account which I'm using for both my Google account, for YouTube or for Gmail, and even the Google Data Studio. Alright, so once we have in this information, what we can do is click on, let's say, a table chart over here and put it over here. So now you see the YouTube analytics is coming as the data source, and down there you have the default dimension which has been picked by the Google Data Studio as the title of my videos. So a lot of different videos which I have posted, all of the titles that I have it over here, as you can see. And down there average view percentage is basically the statistic which is shown to me, and then I can do a lot of metrics or analysis based on my needs. Down here you have the available fields like annotation, if I have used any annotation, what is a date, if I want to put a date filter, external video ID, external user ID, if I have used any info card, LinkedIn thumbnail, public theme, video link, video title. Let's say you want along with the video title which is present here, you want the video link as well. Not here but over here. So now you have the link as well. So if I just make it a little bit big and change this over here, so now you have the video title, and if I go into the view mode, you have the video title which I can click and directly jump by looking at what video I want to see. So right now it is showing the 100 videos over here, but as you can see I have somewhere around 782. So you can view all of this information, or I can view all of my video by just coming over here. I think it also gives me the option to download it as a CSV. Let's say maybe I want to share all of this videos with my subscribers or anyone who is watching here, so that they can quickly search and directly go over there instead of exploring my entire channel. Then in that case I can export to sheets or download it as a CSV. I think export to sheet is a better option, because then in that case you can share easily with others. So the main point which I wanted to show you is how easy it is once you have the YouTube connected, and suppose you have thousands of videos, then management of those videos, analyzing the metric based on your needs, or creating a custom metric becomes really easy with all of these dimensions and measures given here. So video likes added, video likes removed, views, video share, watch time, all of that is readily available. We can simply go in and start creating the analysis. But mainly I wanted to show you how you can connect to YouTube analytics. You can create a table, chart, or any other chart by coming over here. For example, suppose you have created some section. For example, I have ClickSense, ClickView, Tableau, Python, and I think some of the R related videos. Then I can just create maybe one category which basically says that video category, and in that video category I want to see based on the views, which category is being viewed a lot. Or I can have a bar chart for the comparison perspective. Then in that case, it becomes really easy that based on what analysis I want to do for my YouTube channel. So that's about how you can connect, get the data insight, and do whatever you want to do with your data. All right, so that's about it, and I'll meet you in the next video with a new topic.